Hey, that's my car. Hey, that's my house. Hey, that's my life. Do you ever think that could be you? You hustle hard but still don't get what you dream of. Today, I want to share the 5 most common mistakes that keep you from getting what you want. Hi folks, I'm Simon, a professional trader. I've been at this for over 7 years. I used to go to work and dream about the day I'd stop working 9 to 5 for someone else and go on a world tour on a yacht. Just last year, I made that dream come true. How did I do it? Watch closely. In this video, I'll give you my step-by-step guide. Or, better yet, click the link in the description and join my Investors Club so you don't lose track of me on the internet. In the club, I share things I cannot talk about on YouTube. First, let's open the laptop and pick our main players for today's session. Okay, here we go. Here, like this. Ready. The time frame is the usual 1 minute with 30-second candles. Let's pick the indicators. Why do we need them? They help us see significant changes in the dominance of buyers or sellers in the market. You'll see how they work in practice soon. Great, now everything is set and we can start trading. Alright, let's start with 70. Yeah, it's not a small amount to begin with, but I'm experienced and can handle it. The chart shows the drop will continue. The chart hit the same resistance level twice and then went down. The vortex indicator showed the red line dominating the green one, so sellers will push the price lower. Let's watch how it goes. What did I tell you? And that's in just 1 minute. Let's keep going. Let's move on to our second pair, assess the situation, and I'll start sharing my top 5 mistakes. Alright, let's see. The indicators show that the buyers have the upper hand, and I see that the bulls have already made strong moves. Let's support them. We've got a pretty nasty decline here. The candles are dropping below the level, but I'm confident the buyers will come through on this pair. For us, the main thing is to identify the right direction of the candles. Sometimes I do this quickly since I'm experienced, but beginners often rush and make mistakes. While we watch the candle movements, I want to share the first mistake I've noted. It's trading without a clear plan and goals. This was my biggest problem at the start. I just hoped for luck. Well, you can guess how that turned out. Constant losses. Guys, without a clear trading plan and understanding what you want to achieve, you're doomed to fail. First, set your goals, develop a strategy, and only then start trading. By the way, if you're a beginner and struggling with strategic planning, you know where to find tried and tested strategies. You've already subscribed to my Telegram channel, right? Alright, I made the right choice, correctly predicted the chart's movement. Next step, just a heads up. If it seems like everything is going perfectly for me, or if you think I'm just lucky, that's not the case. You're seeing the tip of the iceberg and my results, but it took me 7 years to get here. If you knew what I went through during that time. So, if you are tired of losing your nerves, energy and resources and sick of constantly searching for new strategies, let me tell you, I made a lot of mistakes before becoming a professional and turning trading into my main income source. On my Telegram channel, I give clear, practical explanations of how technical analysis works and how to find entry points. If you don't want to become a professional trader but just want to have some more to live on, you can trade along with me under my guidance. Yes, you heard right. I trade, you see all my moves and you copy them. And you don't have to pay for this. I trade for myself, not for you. I just do it online, so I'm not losing anything. Where else can you find this? If you're interested, click the link in the description. Now we are moving on to everyone's favorite, Apple. Adjusting the data and waiting for a downtrend. The asset hit a peak, followed by a trend reversal. The Williams indicator is approaching 50 for the second time. This indicates the downtrend will continue. Mistake number 2 for all beginners, underestimating the importance of risk management. Oh boy, this was my Achilles heel. I thought I could just set a stop loss and everything would be fine. Not even close. Risk management is a whole science, guys. You need to learn how to calculate position size properly, set entry and exit levels, and diversify your portfolio. Otherwise, one bad move can wipe out everything you worked so hard for. But risk management has its own pitfalls. I talk about them in detail on my Telegram channel. So if you're really interested in understanding all the tricks, click the link in the description, join my club and read on. And as a bonus, all club members get access to free public live sessions. Just yesterday, my subscribers made an average of 715 trading with me. And I hold 3 such sessions a day. Can you imagine? Want to join us? Click the first link in the description and the first pinned comment. And once again, my forecast was spot on, everything went well, and our analysis was accurate. Let's continue. Let's get back to our candles. Opening the American Express chart. I'm setting the desired value and going short. All right, here we go. Why? It seems like it should go up. Both indicators even suggest that buyers might take over. The Williams indicator is almost crossing up from below 50, and the vortex has the green line above the red. But looking closely, I see that each previous candle peak is slower than the last. This tells me the buyers are weakening. So even if everything seems obvious and you're itching to press that button, think again. And here's mistake number 3, making emotional decisions based on fear or greed. Oh man, how many times have I fallen into this trap? When the market moved against me and I panicked and closed at a loss. When the candle went up, I greedily grabbed every point, hoping for a big return. Guys, emotions are your worst enemy in the market. Learn to control yourself and make decisions with a cool head. As expected, a sharp downturn, another accurate prediction. Fantastic. Moving on. Looks like we've been here before. With new values, I'm going long. This situation seems similar to the previous pair, but it's not. If we look at the lower points on the chart, we'll see they're almost at the same level. So the chart is in a sideways movement, and we're at the lower edge of the channel. This means we're expecting an upward movement. When analyzing, you need to consider many details that are hard to grasp at the beginning. This is another reason to start under the guidance of an experienced expert. And mistake number 4 is not studying the market and trading tools enough. Honestly, when I started, I had no idea what fundamental and technical analysis were. I just opened sessions randomly, hoping for luck. Well, you can guess how that turned out. Guys, to be successful, you need to study the market, learn to analyze charts, and understand what's happening. That's exactly what I share on my Telegram channel. Oh, as expected, I'm really glad we got in at the right time. Now let's see what's up with Apple. Everything indicates a downtrend is coming. Predicting the movement here is pretty simple. Bearish dominance on the vortex is strong, plus the Williams indicator is not even trying to cross the lower boundary. The chart shows a strong downward trend. You see, I don't mess around, but I can afford it. I never recommend starting big for beginners, or you could lose everything. And the 5th and final mistake is improper capital allocation and position sizing. This mistake almost knocked me out. Well, you can guess what happened. Guys, never risk everything you have. Properly allocate your capital, determine the optimal position size, and never put all your eggs in one basket. Well, now you know what to avoid. I hope these tips help you to learn from my mistakes and move towards success. Once again, a positive result. Time to wrap up. Alright, my live session on Telegram is starting soon, but I have time for one more round. Here we see the vortex indicator shows the bulls are taking the lead. The Williams indicator is also closer to high values, and looking at the candles, we see a bounce rather than a trend reversal. Running the session correctly brings the expected results. With things going so well, I think it's time to say goodbye. Remember, if you want to join my club and grow with me, trading under the guidance of an experienced trader, then I'm waiting for you on my Telegram. The link is below in the video description and in the pinned comment. Welcome aboard. See you in the next video. That's all for now. Bye.